Editing used to be the part of my day I dreaded most, spent hunched over a keyboard fighting with awkward pauses and endless filler words. I would spend entire afternoons trying to turn hours of raw footage into something actually watchable. Then I started using Vizard, and suddenly my 4-hour editing marathons shrank down to 30-minute coffee-free sessions. Let's be real, the fun part of video creation is the actual recording, sharing your demos, tutorials, or client walkthroughs. The rest of the process, trimming silences, hunting down filler words, and resizing for every social media platform is just tedious, repetitive work. Vizard takes all of that heavy lifting off your plate so you can focus on the creative side of things. Hi, I'm Novi, and today I want to walk you through exactly how I use Vizard to turn long screen recordings into ready-to-post clips without losing my sanity. Getting your footage into the platform is incredibly straightforward, whether you're using their built-in recorder or uploading existing files. I personally prefer using their desktop app because it handles my screen capture and webcam inputs seamlessly while I'm recording. But if you have a massive webinar or a batch of Zoom meetings, you can just drag and drop those files right into the web app. The moment your clip hits the server, Vizard starts the smart analysis process, scanning for all the boring bits you don't want. Instead of manually scrubbing through an hour of video, you get a clean dashboard highlighting filler words, long pauses, and high engagement moments. This lets me combine multiple clips into a single project without the frustration of trying to force everything into one perfect, unbroken take. The editor itself is built for pure speed, featuring a fast edit mode that prioritizes performance so you never experience lag. With just a single click, you can trim all those awkward buffer silences at the start and end of your video. You can even toggle a setting to automatically remove internal silences and cut out common filler words like and ah. You get to choose the sensitivity, whether you want a natural, gentle trim or an aggressive cut to keep everything snappy. Honestly, that one feature saves me hours of manual labor because I don't have to listen to every single second of dead air anymore. While you still have full manual control if you want to tweak things, the AI results are usually so good that most of the work is already done. Another massive game changer is the viral clips feature, which automatically scans long-form content for high-energy moments. It identifies laughs, spikes in energy, and key topics that tend to perform well, then instantly crops them into vertical or square formats. This means instead of spending hours picking clips, I have dozens of post-ready pieces for TikTok or YouTube Shorts in a matter of minutes. Repurposing is finally painless, because when you need a 16:9 piece for YouTube and a square post for Instagram, the platform handles the reframing for you. It keeps your faces and important on-screen elements perfectly in view without needing the manual masking tools that other editors force you to use. You can even add automated zoom and focus effects to draw attention to specific buttons on a demo or a line of code in your tutorial. Styling is just as easy, with options to add clean blurred backgrounds, brand gradients, or animated backdrops with just a few clicks. The captions are actually useful too. They're accurate, editable, and can be fully customized to match your brand's font and colors. Collaboration is another huge win, allowing you to invite teammates or clients directly into the workspace to review projects. This completely eliminates that annoying back and forth cycle of downloading drafts and sending huge files over email. When you're ready to go live, the export settings let you choose your resolution and frame rate, but the real magic is in the scheduling. The integrated content calendar lets you set a posting cadence and schedule clips automatically across all your social accounts. It's honestly a goldmine for creators who want to post consistently without having to turn into a full-time project manager. Now, let's be candid. If you're doing complex, high-end cinematic edits with intense motion graphics, you might still want a traditional NLE. But for the vast majority of us who are educators, course creators, or just hungry to build a content library, Vizard hits the perfect sweet spot. Compared to tools like Loom, Vizard offers much deeper post-production power for long-form content, and it's far more automated than CapCut. It sits right in the middle, giving you the ability to record, automatically extract the best bites, and then manage the entire distribution. If you're budget conscious, just calculate how much your time is worth. Saving even 1 hour of editing a week covers the subscription cost. My biggest tip is to just record without stressing about perfection. Let the AI do the heavy lifting of finding the golden moments. I've been using this tool for over a year now, and it's completely transformed my content creation workflow from a chore into a creative joy. If you want to turn your long-form webinars or tutorials into a steady stream of shorts without hiring an editor, definitely give Vizard a try. Drop a comment below what part of video editing drives you the craziest, and what should AI handle for you next. I'll be reading every single question, and I'll make a follow-up video showing my exact export settings and batch scheduling workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.